My name is Ryan Neal. I am a cleaning tech for ServiceMaster Restore of Muskoka. The type of work I do here at Muskoka Brewery, I come in and disinfect and do a full clean of 21 offices, 7 bathrooms, and the tap room, and mop about 3,000 square feet of flooring.
We're always producing something new, whether it's either our merch or, of course, our lovable and memorable beers.
It's a food production facility, plus our brand is a premium brand, and you want people to walk away being like, it was clean, it was tidy, people were nice.
On the other end, internally for our employees, having a clean environment is something that helps morale.
What I was really impressed with is they were very thorough. They can accommodate you at any point. Very easy to work with.
You can just count on them, they make our lives easier, and it's top quality. It just helps enhance our brand.